Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb keep up and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb keep up is to prevent someone from going to sleep. They had some great conversations when she dropped around to her friend's house. I know it's late, but I'm enjoying this chat. I hope I'm not keeping you up. The woman told her friends about how she got on with her boyfriend last week. We had a tasty meal in the Chinese restaurant, and when we got home, he kept me up all night talking. Meaning two of keep up is to maintain a consistent, continuous pace or rate of change. With the company takeover came a massive amount of changes. I'm finding it very hard to keep up with all these changes. The manager is becoming impatient with an employee. If he keeps up his consistent lack of focus, I'll have to show him the door. Management are very impressed with one of their employees, and they let them know through their performance review. You've consistently hit your targets each month this year. Keep up the good work, and you are in line for a promotion in 12 months. After he lost his job, bills were starting to build on him and his family. I don't know how I'm going to pay all these bills with no job. It's hard to keep up our mortgage repayments. She's been back from Spain for many years and hasn't really used the language since she left. She runs into one of her friends she knew from when she lived there. It's great to see you. Do you still keep up your Spanish? So, let's run through what we've learned. Keep up can mean to prevent someone from going to sleep. The neighbor's dog kept me up all night barking. To maintain a consistent, continuous pace or rate of change. Try to keep up with me during our exercise. Where did you hear the phrasal verb keep up? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.